guys, so I got a package from Forever 21. It is pretty huge. I was actually expecting a box, but they shoved it all in here. But I ordered a lot, and I'm doing an unboxing video for you guys. And I'm using my tripod, so that's why I'm in a different area. I'm trying something new. So, yeah, I'm so excited to open this. I actually ordered something else as well from Forever 21 because later on they had like free shipping, and well, I got free shipping with this because I reached the limit. But I got free shipping because they had free shipping on all dresses, and I ordered another dress, but it says it was supposed to arrive today, but it still says it's out for delivery. So I don't know if they just put the dress in here. I'm not too sure. But what I ordered was 2 dresses, technically 3, 2 socks, and I ordered 2 pair of leggings and some other things. So yeah, and I am gonna go to see my boyfriend. He's in the military, and he's gonna be graduating from basic training, so that's why I wanted to get new clothes so I can see him and on family day and look nice. So let's open it up. So, oh my goodness, there's a lot of stuff in here. So this is the first thing I see in here is this. So I ordered a travel pillow from Forever 21. Yes, you can actually order these from there. They have a velvet one, or they have a fluffy one, and the velvet one like looks like it was smaller, and I wanted just a nice smaller one. So I ordered this, so I'm gonna open it up because I need one. Oh, so this is what it looks like. Pretty cool. And obviously, go like that and you could sleep on. I have the tag here, so it's not like that comfortable, but that's what it looks like. I really needed one of these because I took my mom's and I needed my own. So now I have my own, and it's nice and black and velvet, and it's really cool, and it's my style, so. So I have that. Oh, that's not important. Something just fell. This receipt thing just fell. So the next thing I see is my socks. So these are the socks I ordered. I ordered a here, I'll show you guys on this side. I ordered rose socks. I'm sorry, I can't speak. So yeah, so these are pretty. And then I also ordered these, which actually matches my jacket. Baby blue socks with flowers on them. They had like different color for these. They had a like dark blue, like navy. They had the baby blue, and they also had gray, but I decided to order these because I love baby blue. So I have them. I'll open them up as well. I just ordered these because I love Forever 21 socks, and like I kind of like knee socks to look, so here they are. So they're pretty. See, they have nice roses on them. They also had a gray one pair, but they were sold out. But so I got the white. So hopefully they don't get dirty, and I love roses. And then these are the baby blue with the flowers ones. I love these. These remind me of really like springy, summerish ones. So yeah, I really love them. So those are the socks that I ordered. The next thing is this. These are my black leggings. I have a pair of black leggings from Forever 21 already, but I decided to get another pair. I wanted to get a fresh pair. My leggings always have holes in them. The Forever 21 ones don't have holes in them, but they probably will soon. But all my other ones do. So here they are. Not too exciting because they're just like black, but yeah, they're just plain black leggings. So yeah, just putting everything on my floor because I don't know what to do with them. I'm gonna grab the other leggings since I just showed them. So here's the other pair of leggings that I got. These are the maroon ones, which I always wanted maroon leggings. So I'm so happy to have these. I think they're more like bowlingy, but like they're kind of basically the same thing. So here they are, and they're pretty cool. They're like like not really what I expected it to be. Like the color is like really like not bright or nothing, but they're just like, I don't know, really red. Not really red, but you know what I mean? They're really pinketed or something. So that's what they look like. I think they're really pretty though. I'm so bad describing clothes, like in colors, like really pigmented, like I don't know. So the next thing here, oh, I'll grab these because I see these. So I ordered this as well. These are applicators. I'm sorry, my hair is like locally driving me nuts. But these are applicators for your eyeshadow, to put eyeshadow on. I like locally have not got like any of these for a long time. I always reuse mine and they just keep falling apart and everything. So I just need to get a new pair. So I got a new pair. And these, like, I locally didn't think they will come with so many. I guess I should have read the description, but like they only had like 4 in the pixel, so I thought it wasn't that many. So I feel like I shouldn't have got 2 packed, but like to get free shipping, I needed like 98 something. That was 98 dollars, and these were only like $90. I think they were more on sale. I'm not too sure, but yeah. So I think they like grabbed these like right from like some sew or something, because they look like they were hanging up. But yeah, I have these, so I have these to use, and I will not need a pair though for a while. I got silver ones, they're like metallic ones. So yeah, they have one like in pink, and I think they have another color, but I forget what the other color is. So yeah, so I'm definitely won't be needing these. I was gonna get another pair of socks, but I decided to, like, in the other colors that I showed you with the baby blue ones. But I decided to just get 1 pair of those. But yeah, oh my god, I have so much of these though. I should have tried to order something else. I didn't know it was going to come with that many. But at least I'm set for the rest of my life with eyeshadow applicators. So the next is the dresses, of course. So these, this is my black one that I ordered. And so I was like looking all of them. I'm trying to see if they put the other dress in the package too, because I don't know why I don't have the other one. So this is the black dress I ordered, and I will be doing like a try on after this video, well, part of this video, in my mirror, so you can see what I look like in the dresses, because I'm really curious. All these dresses is in size small, and my leggings are in size medium. Usually that's what fits me, so yeah. Oh my goodness, so this is the dress. I don't know if you can see it because it's black and it's kind of hard to show up in camera. But this is the dress, and it looks really, really pretty. Look at the bottom, guys. Look how pretty that is. So, and then the sleeves has the same thing. It's really pretty, and I don't know if you can tell, but it has this, like, thing here. I'm not too good at describing clothes, but it looks really pretty. Locally, that's so cute. It is really short though, that's the only thing. But like I said, I'm going to wear leggings with it. But yeah, I was going to wear this for the family day with my maroon leggings. So here's the other dress, and that is all that I got. So I don't really know what my other package is with my other dress. So let's hope it's not lost, because it said it was supposed to come today, and this stuff was supposed to come tomorrow. Like, it was supposed to come today, but then it got changed to tomorrow, and then it got set to today, so I'm not really too sure what's all going on. So let's hope I get it. But yeah, this is the other dress I got. This is what I'm going to wear to his graduation for the military. The family day thing is just when you get to spend a like a whole day with him. And these dresses are soft too, by the way. So this is the other dress I got. I got a navy one because all my dresses is usually black. So I decided to get a navy one. And this one's like kind of long sleeves. So this is what it looks like. It looks like black on the camera. So trust me, it's not black. It's navy. So that's what it looks like. It has a little like circle thing here. As you can see, it's kind of like plain and simple, but it's really cute. Like I said, I'm going to try this on, and I'm going to be wearing this with the black leggings. So yeah, I'm not too sure what kind of shoes I'll be wearing, but I'll figure out that then. So yeah, so that's the video. I'm gonna be trying these on and show you guys in my mirror what I look like in them. So continue watching, and I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. So I'm sorry about the lighting, but this is the outfit. I just put these high heels on because I thought they would look cute while showing you guys. But yeah, so these are the leggings. I really like the color. So this is the dress on me. It's really boobyless. They don't look bad right now, but when I bend over, it looks really bad. So, yeah, so I'm definitely gonna have to wear a tank top underneath this because this is not going to work out, especially for visiting him. So, yeah, but this is really a cute all over dress. I really like it. I really like the leggings. So, yeah, it's pretty cute. So this is my other dress. Again, sorry that it's hard to see. This is navy blue, so it looks kind of like black on camera. And yeah, it shows a lot too, because of this. But it's not as bad as the other dress, and it's pretty long. Like, I like how long it is. It makes it look even cuter, and it's just like a really simple dress. And I think this is really a perfect dress to wear to this graduation better than the other one, because I was gonna wear the other one, but I think this dress is more appropriate. But yeah, I think it's really cute, and black leggings is just black. So yeah, pretty cute. So I'm sorry that I didn't unbox this, but this is the dress, and I love the maroon color a lot better than the leggings. But yeah, I'm gonna do a try on like right now. So this is the dress. I really love it. It does come down low, but it's not that bad, and I love the maroon color. It's just like literally the perfect maroon color. I love it. It's so comfortable. They do have different colors in this dress, so yeah, I really recommend this. Like I said, it's so comfortable. The material is so soft. I love these shoes with it. I'm definitely gonna wear these shoes with this dress. It is so pretty together. Like, literally, look at that. That's so cute. Like, honestly, I kind of got this dress to wear the shoes with. I don't know when or where, but I thought it would look so cute with it. And I'm loving this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love everything that I got, even though some of it was too much. But I definitely recommend Forever 21 has like comfortable clothes, stylish clothes for cheap prices, and you can get free shipping and discounts and stuff like that, which is always so great, because honestly, this dress is so cute, and all the other stuff that I showed as well. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this Forever 21 haul and try on. Please give it a like. And please subscribe if you want to, and you can see more videos of me. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.